Imagine this, your dog bites someone, maybe out of fear, maybe defending your home. What happens next might shock you. Because in the UK, your dog can legally be put to sleep for just one bite, even if it's never shown aggression before. Let's talk about it.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm recording a video for Casecraft.ai's YouTube channel. It isn't to scare you, it's to inform you, because as dog owners, we also need to be responsible owners. One bite and your dog could be facing legal consequences. And yes, sometimes that means euthanasia. If you need more information, watch the video, push that like, subscribe and hit the button in order to get more important information.
Understood, thank you.
A lot of people think only Staffies or XL bullies are at risk, but under UK law, and I am quoting here, any dog can be deemed dangerous if it's out of control and causes injury. That means your Cockapoo isn't safe just because it looks like a walking teddy bear. Yep, if your dog bites someone in a park, in your house, even accidentally, the police can seize it, and if a court finds it dangerous, it could be ordered to be destroyed. Let's talk law. The Dangerous Dogs Act of 1991 is like the UK dodgy criminal code. It bans certain breeds, yes, but Section 3 is where it gets scary. Translation, if your dog injures someone, you could face up to 5 years in prison. And yes, your dog could be destroyed by court order. But Your Honour, it was just a little nibble. This court finds the nibble legally dodgy. And this isn't theoretical. There are real UK cases where dogs were ordered to be put down after one single incident. In Manchester, a dog was seized after growling at a child through a fence. It didn't bite, but the police still intervened. In some cases, it's more about the perception of the danger than the bite itself. Come on, Bailey! Bailey! Fetch! Bring it back! Here's what usually happens, step by step, when your dog bites someone. Number 1, the incident is reported. The police or the local council are notified. Number 2, your dog may be seized. That means taken to kennels whilst they investigate. Number 3, you might be charged even if it was an accident. Number 4, the court decides the outcome. The dog might be returned, ordered to wear a muzzle, or destroyed. Important, this applies in public places, but also on private property. Yep, even if someone trespasses into your garden. I am sorry you're breaking into my shed. Perhaps you'd like to pet my Labrador on your way out. Bailey! No, don't do that. Can you save your dog? Sometimes, yes. Courts can issue what is called a contingent destruction order. It sounds scary, but it's basically doggy probation. If you agree to follow strict conditions, for example, always muzzling in public, the court may allow your dog to stay with you. Tip: having proof of training, good behaviour and being insured under third-party dog cover helps a lot. Give it to me, baby. Good dog, thank you. Here's the real takeaway. Don't wait for a bite to get educated. You can protect your dog before it gets to court. Socialise your dog early. Know their stress signals. Never leave them unsupervised with kids. Use leads in unfamiliar environments. Keep your home secure, especially if you get a lot of deliveries. And maybe Don't let your Jack Russell chase the Amazon driver for fun, yeah? Come on, Bailey. Come on, Bailey. Oh, good girl. Oh, my good doggy. Hey, and then doggy daycare tomorrow. Oh, come on. Bring it. Bring it. Look, most dogs aren't monsters, but the laws don't care about good intentions. And the system, sometimes it's harsh. The best thing that you can do is be informed and prepared. Have you ever had a run-in with the Dangerous Dogs Act? I think the law is fair or outdated. Let's talk about it below. Like, subscribe, and share this with every dog owner you know, especially the ones who say, "Come on, Bailey, come." Oh. My dog would never ever bite anyone. Hey, would you, Bailey? Hey, oh, you good dog. Hey.